I don't know. I don't know. No idea. Think you can make it across? Yeah. I know I can. What's that? You did it. Would have been better.
You're like ricocheting through my entire body.
Okay, maybe we don't do that.
I'm landing off the cliff.
So you're stretching your legs out.
That's what you said.
You're right, I did just walk through without even... You good with it? Piggyback ride?
There you go. I don't like getting wet.
Come on, Keisha. Keisha, come here. They're on a leash. You should be on a leash. Come here, Keisha, come. Good girl. Wow. It's a big one. Wow. It's a big one. Holy cow.
Can't light it.
Do you have a lightsaber? Did we use this thing in the tunnels?
Yeah.
Huh. We should watch that. I can't see, so I'm gonna take this.
I'll try to be in that corner.
Hopefully
bro.
What's that?
I'll try to get in that corner over
You
there.
want to crawl up there?
Yeah.
I have a headlight. What am I hat?
Eh.
Okay.
No one sucks.
Yeah, my hat's not as good for. I think this is a good light, but it's a good light for a night. They go through.
Yeah. One out here.
Meet you on the other side. Oh, cool! Be my lookout. Don't yell at me and someone moves in, okay?
Okay, go.
Can I come out there with you?
Sure. Yeah.
Alright, I'll be up in a bit.
Should I bring a light to you? Or you have a light? There's people. Keisha, scare them. Hello. You shouldn't come up here. Follow your mom.
You can't get up there, Aria. She just does whatever. I don't know. Oh, you like this? I was trying to. Whoa.
Weird, huh? I feel like I can get up there. Probably could. I must go. My next dimension is slippery. Yeah, be careful. I get slippery in the dark. Put my foot somewhere I couldn't see. It's easier out here, but it's still slippery. I have really good shoes on. Actually, no, that's not true. Makes things suck when they get wet. Puddles. What the? Yeah. No way. There's a cove.
Oh, there's another tunnel in here?
It's a cove. Oh, wait. That's just another entrance to the... whatever.
Wow, this tree. Oh my god. This thing's fascinating.
You got those knees? Huh? Oh, here.
Is it easy?
Planer stepping, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. Just,
Watch my step, huh?
uh-huh. Continue, come on. The light, it burns.
There's another one. Not nearly as big, I would guess. Yeah. Looks like somebody drove an RC car through here. What are those look like? Tracks for car? Be kind of fun. Dune buggy, toy dune buggy, tearing up and down the beach. That's where those fast races. Well, of course, it'd be dangerous. People in the shins. You'd want it to be waterproof as much as possible. Uh-oh, here comes the waves. Better run.
Take the Insta. Quickly.
Oh, I am not going all the way down that way. Okay, maybe a little ways. Oh, I'm getting claustrophobic. Hell with that. Waves.
Oh.
Hey, you.
No. No.
Oh, you're screwed. I gotta get out.
No.
Watch your head.
No.
Come on, come on. I can't believe you just did that. Come on. You're a fool.
I hate that. I wanted to be over here.
Did you see how far back that tunnel went?
No.
There was a crevice at the end, but I got chickened out. Because I was like, a wave's going to come in, and it's going to be up to my chest. And I turn around and head up, and you're there. I'm like, oh my God. Hey, let's check out these schools over here. Doing all the work to get in here.
Not fine.
Sandals or something. real quickly. Dude, we just showed up. We got our own beach now. You see any people on this? We found a secret beach. I'm gonna go to the edge there. Oh! Pacific Power and Light. Good picture of that. What's up? Let's go over there to that beach.
I want it to keep dry. Oh. I could have. If I went on this rock, could have.
Yep. What? You just on a whim, you're like, I'm gonna go where he is. Did the waves just suddenly like pull out? You're like, oh, this is my chance, and it was just an impulse.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm like, I'm gonna go over there.
If you had gone to the high spot instead of in the cave with me, you probably would have made it mostly dry.
Yeah. I know. Imagine.
How about we go shop? We look pick up some sandals or another pair of shoes. Oh, we're not the first people here. Oh well. See what they did. It's a stick. And they made a bunch of little lines. Okay, I don't know. They took their hands and scooped the sand together and make a little wall.
It's like here.
Yep. So the one thing we got to keep in mind, we can't spend a lot of time here because the water will continue to get higher, and that crossing back there will get harder, wetter. So how far do we want to go?
Not that far.
All right, you want to head back? Yeah. All right, come on, Keys.